Hi. I'm here to share with you some info on VideoRobot. The future of digital marketing? This is really cool. It's been proven over and over again that video converts at a higher rate. But with a shorter attention span these days, your prospects are finding reasons to leave in the first 5 seconds. You need to grab attention fast or miss out. However, many of us are camera shy when it comes time to doing face-to-face videos for our business. So, if you cringe at the idea of staring into the video camera and trying to sell to prospects who are watching your every move, now you can create lifelike animated avatars who will do your marketing for you and your clients. Introducing VideoRobot. Check out VideoRobot. Now you can attract more attention, convert more prospects into buyers, maximize reach and engagement, mesmerize, captivate and drive real results. Plus, right now you can even get a commercial license included. So you can create and sell video spokespersons to your local, digital or e-commerce clients for big bucks. We've fully reviewed it for you and smile. And right now today you can get in at the special early bird pricing deal. You've got to see this to believe it. Go directly to the offer. We hope this helps you out with your video marketing. Thanks for watching. Please click the link in description for more information.